Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You already have the sheet open, so start by verifying the cells contain numbers, not text. Click an empty cell where you want the total. This is your output cell. Once done, type equals SUM, then drag to select the first range of cells you need to add. Make sure to include contiguous rows or columns in one selection. If ranges are separated, you'll add them next. Press Enter to get the first subtotal, and visually confirm the selection highlights match what you expect. Now expand the formula to cover any additional ranges. You can type commas inside SUM to include multiple ranges, for example equals SUM, A1, A10, B1, B10. Once typed, press Enter to compute a combined total immediately. If you expect new rows, consider summing whole columns such as equals SUM, C, C so new entries are included. For clarity, define named ranges and use them inside SUM. This helps when you revisit the sheet. Make sure formulas update. Finish by formatting the result cell for easier reading. Choose number or currency and set decimals. If the SUM is 0 or incorrect, inspect your source cells. Text-looking numbers, leading spaces, or error markers can block summation. Use find and replace to remove stray spaces or wrap problematic cells in value to convert them. Once fixed, recalculate or press Enter in the formula cell. If problems persist, check for filters hiding rows or array formula conflicts that might.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.